You know what's funny about job hunting? Most people desperately fight over the same few positions at the last minute, not realizing thousands of incredible jobs are out there unnoticed. I discovered this firsthand when I started preparing for my job interviews well before graduation, and it was a game changer. Today, I'm going to share my proven stress-free strategy for landing amazing jobs, plus 15 overlooked high-paying careers you absolutely cannot miss for 2025. Before diving into these hidden career gems, here's my personal game-changing strategy. Start preparing at least 6 months before graduation for your planned career change. First, craft a standout resume listing every significant project you've tackled, clearly highlighting the challenges you solved, internships, certifications, and your education. Next, head for job portals like LinkedIn and search your target position and preferred location. Pick the top 10 exciting job descriptions and spend the next few weeks fine-tuning your resume based on those job requirements. Then repeat this step again. Choose another 10 postings and study them. You'll quickly realize you already understand 30 to 40% of the requirements. Keep refining your resume and apply consistently. Within a couple of months, you'll approach interviews fully prepared, knowing exactly what to expect and minimize your stress in preparation. If you like this tip and want to have more insight about job strategies, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, let's dive into the detailed description of 15 overlooked, high-paying, in-demand jobs for 2025. Number 1, software developer. They create and maintain software applications ensuring functionality, security, and performance. Demand is booming due to the digital transformation and AI integration. Job opportunity score is 10 out of 10. Salary range from $90,000 to $150,000 a year. Job growth between 2023 and 2033 is 17%. Number 2, nurse anesthetist. Nurse, midwife, nurse practitioner. They provide advanced medical career, administer anesthesia, manage patient care independently, and offer specialized health services. Healthcare workforce shortages significantly boost in demand. Job opportunity score at 9.5 out of 10. Salary can range between $110,000 to $150,000. Job growth for 2023 to 2033 is 40%. Number 3, management analyst. These analysts evaluate business processes, identify inefficiencies, and recommend solutions to improve profitability and efficiency. Increased automation drives demand for analytical roles. Job opportunity is 9 out of 10. Salary range from $75,000 to $120,000 per year. Job growth for 2022 to 2023 is 11%. Number 4, registered nurse. They provide comprehensive patient care, manage treatment plans, administer medication, and collaborate closely with healthcare teams. Steady healthcare needs sustain strong demand. Job opportunity score 9.5 out of 10. Salary range from $70,000 to $95,000 a year. Job growth from 2023 to 2033 is 6%. Number 5, business operations specialist. They oversee company operations, streamline processes, and ensure smooth organizational functioning. Companies increasingly rely on specialists for operational efficiency. Job opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. Salary range from $65,000 to $90,000 a year. Job growth for 2023 and 2033 is 5%. Number 6, accountants and auditors. These professionals maintain accurate financial records, conduct audits, and ensure compliance with law and regulations. Critical financial oversight drives stable growth. Job opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. Salary range from $60,000 to $100,000 a year. Job growth 2023 to 2033 is 6%. Number 7, Market Research Analyst. They analyze market conditions, study customer preferences, and provide valuable insight to guide strategic business decisions. Data-driven decision making fuels growing demand. Job opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. Salary range from $60,000 to $90,000 a year. Job growth for 2023 to 2033 is 8%. Number 8, Instructional Coordinator. They develop and implement curricula, educational standards, and teaching methods to improve learning outcomes. The shift toward digital education expands this role. Job opportunity is 8 out of 10. Salary range from $60,000 to $85,000 a year. Job growth for 2023 to 2033 is 2%. Number 9, Human Resources Specialist. They manage recruitment, employee training, workplace policies, and help create a positive work environment. Steady growth as businesses prioritize employee satisfaction. Job opportunity score is 8 out of 10. Salary range from $55,000 to $80,000 a year. Job growth for 2022 and 2023 is 8%. Number 10, Education, Guidance, Schools, and Career Counselor. These counselors support students and professionals in making informed educational and career decisions. Demand grow as educational institutions integrate technology. Job opportunity score is 7.5 out of 10. Salary range from $50,000 to $75,000 a year. Job growth for 2023 and 2033 is 4%. Number 11, Licensed Practical and Vocational Nurse. They provide essential patient care under supervision, assisting with medication, treatments, and daily patient needs. Rising healthcare demand supports steady job availability. Job opportunity score is 7.5 out of 10. Salary range from $45,000 to $65,000 a year. Job growth for 2022 to 2023 is 3%. Number 12, Heavy and Tractor Trailer Truck Driver. They transport goods safely across long distances, managing routes and ensure timely delivery. Sustained logistic growth ensures strong job demand. Job opportunity score is 8 out of 10. Salary range from $45,000 to $65,000 a year. Job growth for 2023 and 2033 is 5%. Number 13, Substance Abuse, Behavioral Disorder, and Mental Health Counselor. They offer treatment and support to individuals struggling with mental health, addictions, and behavior challenges. Increasing mental health awareness significantly drives demand. Job opportunity score is 9 out of 10. Salary range from $45,000 to $70,000. Job growth for 2023 and 2033 is 19%. Number 14, Virtual Exhibit Designer. They design engaging virtual museum exhibits and digital experiences, ensuring cultural and educational materials reach global audiences. Digital transformation boosts demand. Job opportunity score 7.5 out of 10. Salary range from $60,000 to $105,000 per year. Number 15, Sales Establishment Specialist. Develop strategies, manage customer relationship tools, and enhance overall sales effectiveness. Businesses heavily invest in sales efficiency. Job opportunity score is 9 out of 10. Salary range from $80,000 to $145,000 a year. These jobs aren't just lucrative. They offer incredible career advancement, opportunities, and scalability. For more in-depth resources and guides, check the links in the description and pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more powerful job search strategies and career advice. Good luck and here's to your future success. Until next time, be freelantastic.